Hey Google, what's my name?
Your name is Turkey Leg.
And that's right, it's Turkey Leg TV and I'm Brandon Peace. So, we're going on part 2 of our kukri. So, we're going to be grinding out the blade. We're going to make it feel nice and better in the hand. So you missed, I cut the back off and I grinded it to shape. So here's the shape so far. I'm gonna start grinding and sanding, and hopefully soon this blade will kill. So, onto the grinder. Let's get this baby looking beautiful. So, we kind of have our blade kind of ground in there. It's not too sharp. Probably could chop some wood, but I'm gonna do some hand sanding to make this thing beautiful. And we're gonna figure out where I'm gonna put my hole, and we're gonna put my pinhole, my lanyard hole, and my pinhole, and we'll figure that out. But for now, I'm gonna work on finishing up the blade more, making this look beautiful. All right, so we're gonna be filing this down so I get a better edge geometry and I get a better look on it. And I was gonna continue grinding it and shaping it. And so since I already hardened the blade, it's gonna be very hard to file this thing, but I'm gonna do the best I can. So, we've done a lot of filing on it. The blade is starting to make its shape. So now we're going to move to wet sanding and give this thing a nice fit and finish. So, let's see if I can get in front of this thing. So, you can tell there's a complete difference in the handle. And I haven't painted this or done anything to it. This is just the raw steel. This is my more polished steel that I'm working on. Edges coming along. I still need to get that nice and shiny. And I'm going to keep going higher and higher on the grit to buff it out. Then we'll drill some holes.